Hello everyone. In this episode, I will be showing you how to prepare a nutritious snack. Yes, it's broccoli stir fried with sesame seeds in coconut oil. Very simple recipe. To talk about the health benefits of broccoli and sesame seeds, they are packed with magnesium. Magnesium is very important in our diet because deficiency in the mineral can cause gastrointestinal and renal disorders, as well as it might increase your migraine attack. So, you can avoid all of these by taking sufficient amount of magnesium in your diet. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Cookeryshow. See you soon in another episode. Till that time, bye bye.